When you have prepared and finalized an R1 project file, it is ready to be connected to a real-life system. The following steps will serve as a guideline on how to get this done in a quick and easy way. Open the project file you prepared. In our case here, we simply took an example file in ArrayCalc and exported it to R1. When you have opened the project, activate the Open Views arrow on each of the desired views for quick navigation. Our Open Views bar now shows the Devices view, the General Overview, and all remote views containing channel items. Once you have finished that, search or scan for connected interfaces in the Devices view. When all interfaces have been detected successfully in the scanning process, activate all interfaces which are connected to the amplifiers and used in your R1 project. Successfully detected interfaces are marked by a green status icon. Now click Online to connect to the amplifiers. Clicking the Online button will trigger the network initialization process, and R1 will scan the network for all remote IDs assigned to and stored in the project's amplifier list. As soon as a device with a valid remote ID has been found on the network, its device settings such as input mode, output mode, and loudspeaker setups will be set by R1. Please note that this may affect the input routing. All other remotely controllable functions, such as mute, EQ, or level, will not be changed during that process. Let's go back to the Home view and switch from configuration mode to tuning mode. When either tuning or show mode are active, the editing functions for the Devices view are locked and the remote views cannot be deleted. In tuning mode, the activated remote views are connected with the actual amplifiers, and the values for each function will be polled. During this process, an hourglass icon may appear on the remote view function controls. This happens because R1 is waiting for the information of each control value from every device. When a control is assigned to a group which is populated with many devices, every single device will be polled. As soon as all values of this function have been successfully transferred from the amplifiers to R1, the icon will disappear. Now it's a good time to load the already existing ArrayCalc snapshot into R1 and onto the amplifiers. Also check whether the whole system is powered up. Check this in the remote views containing channel items. Every channel item in these views should have a green line below its name indicating that this channel is activated, switched on, and ready for communication. Even in tuning mode, it is possible to edit a specific remote view. By clicking the editing icon in the top right corner of a remote view, only this view is set to configuration mode while all other views are still communicating with the system. This gives you the possibility to make final touch-ups and still control the rest of the system. If you deactivate the Remote View Edit icon, this view will again connect to the amplifiers. In Show mode, only activated remote views are visible and accessible for the user, while all editing functions are locked. If you want to test your project in simulation, which is generally recommended, just keep the online mode off. Activate tuning or show mode to check group controls, their behavior, and assignment.